Good day, everyone. My name is Goddan, and welcome to Goddan School of Mathematics. If you have any mathematics question you need answers to, you can join our maths community and get answers to the mathematics question for free. Send us a DM to this number 09015374417, and we'll add you to the maths community where you can ask the questions and get answers for free. So I have these questions that says simplify the following: t raised to the power minus 4 times t raised to the power 2 times t, and number 2, 18x raised to the power 8 divided by 6x raised to the power 5. Number 3, 5x raised to the power minus 2y times 2x raised to the power minus 5y raised to the power 2. So of course, this is indices. This is an indices question, right? So we have solution. We've learned the laws of indices. So for question 1, we are applying the laws of the multiplication law of indices that says if the bases are the same, you pick one of the bases and then you add their indices. So we have minus 4 for the first index plus 2, the second index, plus the index for the third base is 1, right? Because t raised to the power 1 is the same thing as t. So this will give us t raised to the power minus 4 plus 2 is minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1, minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2. And then minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. Now you can't leave your answer like this, because we can also apply the negative index law that says that this negative becomes the reciprocal of the base raised to the power index, and t raised to the power 1 is same thing as what? T. So our answer is equal 1 over t. Now question 2 says 18x raised to the power 8 divided by 6x raised to the power 5. Now this is division, so we are obeying the division law of indices. However, if you look at the bases, they are coefficients, right, that are not same base. So what do I do? For me, I collect like terms. Let the constants come together in one bracket, and then the variables come together in one bracket, right? So 18 divided by 6, x raised to the power 8 divided by x raised to the power 5. So 18 divided by 6 already is 3. I now have x raised to power. Now this is division law of indices that says the basis has to be the same. Once they are the same, pick one of the bases and then we subtract their indices, and this gives us 3x raised to power 3, and this will be our answer. Now question 3 says 5x raised to power minus 2y times 2x raised to power minus 5y raised to power 2. Now, same thing I did for question 2. Let's bring the constants together, right? So I have 5 times 2, then I have x also in one bracket times x raised to power minus 5, and then I have y also in y one bracket y raised to power 2. So 5 times 2 is 10, right? X. The bases are the same, so I pick one of the bases, and then I add their indices, minus 5. The index for the first base is minus 2. The index for the second base is minus 5. So I'm adding them together. And then y are the same. I pick one of the y. We have 1 plus 2. So what we have 10x minus 2, plus times minus is minus, so I have minus 5, y raised to power 1 plus 2 is 3. So this gives me 10 raised to power x minus 2 minus 5 is minus 7 y raised to power 3. Now this is the same thing as 10 times x raised to power minus 7 times y raised to power 3. Now, if you look at this, we can apply the negative index law. That gives us 10 multiplied this negative becomes the reciprocal of the base and the positive index, then we have y raised to power 3. So that this will give us 10 times 1 is 10 times y raised to power 3 is 10 y raised to power 3 over x raised to power 7, and this will be our result. Thank you for joining the class today. Please do well to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And also follow us across all social media pages at Goddan School of Mathematics. Till I come your way in the next class, bye for now.